guys, it's Lita from Hypnotech. I'm here today with the OnePlus 8. It's been a while since we had a OnePlus on the channel. I'm super excited to open it up and take a look. Let's go. Alright, so opening this up, the packaging is really nice off the bat. Okay, we have what looks like an envelope. Let's take a look at what's inside. There's a SIM card tray and an invitation letter. Opening it up, it's from Pete Lau, the CEO at OnePlus, really reminiscent of the original invites you had to receive to buy the original phone. The letter is basically saying thank you for being part of the OnePlus community and some words on how they've grown. Okay, here we have some stickers, some information on the phone itself, and all that paperwork nice and neatly packed together. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. The Interstellar Glow color is honestly really beautiful. There's a nice reflection and really different shades of pink in here. The phone's got a lot of good weight to it with the aluminum body. It's nice and sturdy. Here we have a warp charge brick and the cable for it. Warp charge is supposed to be even faster than other chargers out there, especially since this version, the OnePlus 8, does not have wireless charging capabilities. And I think that's it in the box. So let's take a closer look at the phone. On the side, we have the alert slider and power button. On the back, we have the 48 megapixel triple camera. There's a pretty sizable hump on here, and I can already see this thing is going to attract fingerprints fast, but it's still a beautiful color. Moving along to the other side is our volume rocker. On the bottom, we have the SIM tray, USB-C port, and stereo sound speakers. This is at the bottom, but it's also at the top from the earpiece as well. Viewing angles look really pretty on here. There's a slight bezel with the hole punch camera, but it's not too intrusive to me off the bat. The curved 6.5-inch screen is nice. This is an AMOLED screen with Corning Gorilla Glass. This model, the 8, has a 90 Hz refresh rate, so it should be nice and snappy. The inside of this phone runs Oxygen OS, which is similar to stock Android. Coming from the Pixel, I'm excited to see the changes OnePlus has made, but first impression, it's clean, smooth, and fast. On the inside is a Snapdragon 865 with 12 gigabytes of RAM and a 4300 milliamp battery. Let's take a quick look at the camera. There's all sorts of modes on here that you can see, like Portrait, Nightscape, Pro, and Video. Thumbs up and comment if you want to see a camera comparison between this phone and the Pixel 4. The OnePlus 8 has 3 cameras on it, a wide and ultra wide, and a macro camera. And then there's of course the selfie camera in the front too. I've always been a fan of the customization that OnePlus has, and I can already see there's lots of features to play around with on the camera. Unlike other operating systems, there's not too much bloatware that comes with Oxygen OS. OnePlus seems to have kept that core Android feel to it, and while they have added some preloaded apps, it's not too overwhelming and still keeps the phone smooth. I want to play a quick video on here because the 1080 by 2400 display really seems like it'll be great to watch media and read on. OnePlus has also added a few different modes that I'll include in my review later, but it does seem really nice, and with that nearly bezel-less screen, really immersive. There's also Dolby Atmos speakers on here as well, and I'm excited to listen and see how well they perform. The OnePlus 8 has face recognition, which seems pretty fast on first impression. There's also an on-screen fingerprint scanner as well that seems just as snappy. Despite the crazy fingerprints this thing attracts, the OnePlus 8 seems like a really good device option thus far. The shape and build are definitely solid. Buttons like the alert slider are convenient to reach, and you can just move this along to adjust your sound. And there you have it, the first look at the OnePlus 8. Make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be doing a full review for this very soon. Once again, I'm Lita from Hypnotech, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! And that's it. Be sure to subscribe here, hit the bell button so you don't miss any of our videos, and check out our other videos right here. Until next time,